Konnichiwa, Toreishi desu. This is your motivational study break with My Nihongo lessons. Each video helps you complete one step in the Marugoto Rikai textbook series.
皆さん、こんにちは。Today we're going to practice reading katakana. Here is our first set in our workbook. We're going to listen as we read. If possible, try not to look at the romaji if you can.
1、パン。2、テレビ。3、カメラ。4、トイレ。5、ソファ。6、ベッド。7、シャツ。8、コーヒー。9、ジュース。10、エアコン。11、シャワー。12、テーブル。
Here are some words to pay close attention to. Number 1, コーヒー and テーブル. That long hyphen looking character is katakana, which simply means hold out the sound, the vowel sound. So not kohi, but kohi. Okay, kohi. And teburu, teburu, teburu. Number 2, betto, betto. Just like in hiragana, we have a glottal stop where we write tsu much smaller. It's about a quarter of the size of a normal character. Betto, betto. Number 3, juice, shatsu, shower. We also have those glides in katakana. So we see ju, juice, sha, shatsu, sha, shower. Now, katakana does do some things with the F sound so that we have a more variety of a fu sound in Japanese. Here we have fa. It is written as fu with small a. We cannot do that in hiragana, but in katakana, we can manipulate our sounds a little bit. When we do that, I'll make sure I expressly tell you, so you'll be watching for it. Here we have fu becoming fa. So our word is sofa. Sofa. Right. Let's practice matching romaji to katakana. First, pause the video here, and I want you to draw a line matching all the katakana to the romaji. You may use the chart if you want to. When you finished, let's go on and we'll listen to the answers. Okay, ready? Pause. All right, let's continue.
1、テレビ。2、カメラ。3、漫画。4、トイレ。5、ピアノ。6、ホテル。7、タクシー。8、エアコン。9、カラオケ。10、レストラン。
Okay, let's listen to the audio as you check your work.
1、テレビ。2、カメラ。3、漫画。 4トイレ5ピアノ6ホテル7タクシー8エアコン9カラオケ10レストラン
How did you do? If you missed any of these, go back. All right, now let's listen and circle the word that you are hearing. Okay? You may pause between each one if you need to take your time. Here we go.
1パン2テレビ3カメラ4ベッド5トイレ6シャツ7ソファー8コーヒー9ジュース10テーブル
Let's listen to the Japanese again as we check your work.
1パン2テレビ3カメラ4ベッド5トイレ6シャツ7ソファー8コーヒー9ジュース10テーブル
How did you do? Were you able to hear and see all of the sounds? Last one. We're going to look at the pictures and listen to the sound. And then I want you to choose which letter was correct. So they are going to try to say this picture in 3 different ways. And you are going to picture the way that matches the katakana that's written under each picture. Are you ready? Here we go.
1 A トイレ B テレビ C ビデオ2 A 漫画 B マウス C カメラ3 A タクシー B テーブル C テレビ4 A バッグ B ペット C ベッド5 A ジュース B コーヒー C シャワー6 A ソファー B ピアノ C シャツ
Let's check your work.
1、A、トイレ。B、テレビ。C、ビデオ。2、A、漫画。B、マウス。C、カメラ。3、A、タクシー。B、テーブル。C、テレビ。4、A、バッグ。B、ペット。C、ベッド。5、A、ジュース。B、コーヒー。C、シャワー。6、A、ソファー。B、ピアノ。C、シャツ。
How did you do? It's okay if you're having trouble matching the katakana at this point. Remember that Japanese has 108 possible sounds, while English has 15,831 possible sounds. So it might take a little while to see how these katakana words reflected English.
皆さん、よくできました。Join me on Patreon for new lessons every week, downloadable resources, and live study support. And a special thank you to all of my Patreon supporters. ありがとうございます。Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss another Marugoto goal. And please share this with a friend, because studying a language is always better with a buddy. またね!